Okay, so this one's gonna be on how to disable the Windows 10 updates permanently. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you two ways. First one is through the services. So just type in services on the menu. Okay, and then here just go ahead and look for the Windows update somewhere at the bottom over here, Windows update. And just want to make sure that you go to properties, and then in here, if it's started, you can go ahead and stop it. And then under manual, you can actually go ahead and disable it. The one thing we want to go ahead and do after we have disabled it, resist recovery, you want to make sure that we take no action for the first failure. And as far as the reset fail count, I want to go ahead and change that to 0 days. And then as far as the restart service, also we're going to change it to 0. And then after that, you just click apply and OK. And the next one's going to be the update orchestrator. I don't think this one is necessary, but just to make sure you can actually disable this one as well. It's called update orchestrator service. Just go to properties and then go ahead and stop this one. Unfortunately for this one, we can't we don't have the options to do anything else over here, but at least we can stop that. As far as just to make sure in case it doesn't work, we can use the GP edit. So just type in GP edit and then click on that. Then under the administrative templates and the things under Windows components, we're gonna go ahead and look for the Windows update somewhere over here at the bottom. So let's see, Windows update right here, and we can expand this. And the main one we're gonna go ahead and look at is the one that says they configure updates, automatic updates. So we can click on edit, and then in here we want to go ahead and disable it, just to make sure that it's disabled. So click apply and then OK. Okay, so I think after doing that through the GP edit and doing the other two steps through the services, should go ahead and fix everything. One thing we can do is we can check for updates, see what we get over here. Okay, and then under advanced options, let's see. Yes, as we see here, everything has been disabled, everything's off, so we can see that this is fine, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so that's how we're able to make sure that everything is done. So that's it. Now you have disabled the updates. Once you restart, I think I think from now on it's just gonna go ahead and not update. Let's go ahead and click on check for updates, see what happens. Okay, so now it's giving me an error saying there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. So looks like it's disabled. So that's it. So that's how you're able to disable the updates on Windows 10. So that's it for now. Bye.